What I have here today is Razer's new Viper V4 Pro mouse. Let's take a look at what's inside. As soon as you remove the lid, you're greeted by the Viper V4 Pro mouse itself, as well as the Hyperspeed Wireless Gen 2 dongle, advertised as having true 8000Hz wired and wireless pull-in. Sitting below is a USB Type-A to Type-C cable and some documentation. I would have fully expected the Razer logo on the mouse to be illuminated with RGB, but there's no lights on it at all except for a small LED indicator near the scroll wheel. This might just be the lightest mouse I've ever held, weighing in at 49.1 grams. Razer has equipped this with their Gen 4 optical mouse switches, which this is what it sounds like. Retailing at $160 in the United States, the Viper V4 Pro is available in both black and white.